Hello everyone, welcome back to Suku Studios. This week I have something very different and very special. I already started feeling the festive season in the air, although we are still coronavirus is there and it is keeping on increasing. So guys, please celebrate maintaining your safety. So I already started receiving a lot of gifts, and this is one of my favorite. This is a beautiful sketchbook which has been sent by Gili Mitti with a beautiful story written in it. So I would like to show you the sketchbook first. This is the sketchbook and it looks awesome. It has two beautiful fish in it, and the paper is also very nice. It is handmade paper with textures in it, and I am very excited to paint something on this. So today's video we are going to paint something on this beautiful sketchbook using these brush pens, which are really not that expensive, and you can get it in any stationery stores around you. It is made by Tamil India and it comes in 24 shades. So let's try and explore two of these things together today. I have very roughly sketched this illustration out. I am using water soluble color pencils for drawing, because later on when you paint on top of this, it tend to dissolve and the pencil line doesn't appear from behind. Although I'm excited, drawing in a new sketchbook is not an easy task for me. I have a bit of sketchbook phobia. Whenever I try to draw on a new sketchbook, I feel the fear of destroying the beautiful sketchbook. Like few years back, I was way scared, but now things have become better for me. This fear comes only while I'm drawing the first page. I don't know why. So I have seen a lot of artists start their sketchbook from the back. This is one way of dealing with it. But still I try to start from the beginning, although I feel the fear. So please let me know if you have any other ways or if you feel this fear at all in the comments. I would definitely like to know. I am using Camel brush pen set for coloring my illustration here. As I showed you, this brush pen comes in 24 colors. Brush pens are quite similar to watercolor, so I thought of using it here. As I showed you, my sketchbook is made out of handmade paper, so it will help the color to absorb and merge better. That is why I am using brush pens to experiment and see what I can do in this sketchbook. When I was thinking about what to illustrate, I saw the sketchbook and there was a tag which came along with it, which I really like. This sketchbook is made by my friend Akanksha and her brand Gili Mitti. So when I was thinking of what to illustrate, I was just fidgeting around with this sketchbook, and then I saw this beautiful story which was written and tagged along with the sketchbook. And when I read it, it was very nice, and I thought of illustrating that in the first page of this sketchbook. So I'll just read you out the story, and I think once you know the story, you will understand what I am sketching here. Meena was proud of a decision she had made a few hours back. She thought of her teacher and thanked him. While transferring the fishes from the water bowl into the river, she had now realized the importance of freedom that every living being on this earth deserves. She smiled and bid goodbye to her fish friend. So this is a very beautiful story which came along with the sketchbook. I wanted to illustrate it. So I thought of celebrating freedom along with these two fishes with this illustration, and I wanted to reflect on the deep meaning behind it. As you know, I name all my sketchbooks, it makes them more close to me. So I named this one as Freedom, and I am very happy to receive it. Thank you, Gili Mitti, for gifting me this. You can find them in Instagram if you want one. I'm very excited to see how my final illustration comes out. Although I'm still left with a lot of white portion. Can't wait to finish this. So I have illustrated this white fishes here, who has apparently come to greet Mina's fishes, who is joining the new world. And I really like the idea of letting them go. So now I am almost done coloring my illustration. After doing this, at this stage I felt like adding few more fishes in the background of our character, and so it has already been colored. So what I'm going to do is, with this white Posca opaque markers, I'm going to paint on top of them, and I'm painting a little more white on the water as well to give the highlights, and I am adding a little more black to give a little shadows here and there. And yeah, I am done with my illustration and I feel happy making this. Hope you guys like this too. Let me know in the comment section below what you feel about this, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. So guys, this is how the final illustration looks, and it is very nice. The pages, the sketchbook, I really like it, and I have illustrated the story which came along with the sketchbook. It is a story of a girl. Thank you so much.